In 1926, the Sisters of Mercy opened Mercyhurst Prep, and we're still here today as the region's only Catholic school in the Mercy tradition. We sit on a beautiful 7.5-acre campus, and for the next 4 years, this can be the place where you grow, academically, intellectually, spiritually, and emotionally. Welcome to Mercyhurst Prep.
Good morning and welcome to Mercyhurst Prep. Hope you have a great day.
From an academic perspective, we offer 3 concentrations: college prep, honors, and international baccalaureate. We are the only secondary high school to offer the IB program in this area. Our faculty and staff are dedicated, compassionate, and conscientious. When students graduate from Mercyhurst Prep, they are prepared with the knowledge and education to succeed at every level.
We here at Mercyhurst Prep are one of over 3,400 prestigious high schools in 157 countries throughout the world that offer the International Baccalaureate Diploma program. It's an enlightened approach to education that focuses on academic excellence and character development through higher order thinking, along with intercultural understanding and respect.
One of the things that I love about teaching science at Mercyhurst Prep is that I know that these kids are going to take everything that they've learned here and go out and change the world. They're going to make it a better place.
Mercyhurst Prep provides students the opportunities to grow spiritually, intellectually, and physically through the challenging and interesting courses and co-curricular activities that we have to offer.
At Mercyhurst Prep, we are encouraged to be well-rounded individuals.
Being an MPS Laker has made me a better person.
Being a Laker student-athlete teaches you time management, leadership skills, and working in a team environment. Those characteristics will help prepare you for your future, so come and be a Laker.
Being on the tennis team has taught me about dedication and hard work. Our team supports each other through every match on and off the court. It feels great to represent Mercyhurst Prep while doing what I love.
Whether I'm playing on the basketball court or the football field, there's nothing that compares to being an MPS Laker.
To be a Laker means to be successful inside as well as outside of the classroom. One of the main reasons I chose to come to Mercyhurst Prep for high school is because of the outstanding quality of our performing arts department.
I've always believed that in the right environment, high school students can do anything. And that's no truer than in the performing arts at Mercyhurst Prep. I love being able to go to the first page of a score and take those notes and turn them into wonderful music. Every individual is involved, and there's nothing quite like that team experience that creates exhilarating performances. It's really cool.
Being a Laker means supporting one another, whether it's on the field, in the classroom, or on the stage.
At Mercyhurst Prep, we are more than a community. We're a family. We believe once a Laker, always a Laker.
Campus ministry at Mercyhurst Prep is vibrant and diverse. From athletic leadership retreats to guys and girls weekends, campus ministry hikes, and level red boxing afternoons, we encourage students to come down and see what we have going on.
Catherine Macaulay instructed her sisters to be like the river that would enter the sea and not lose its stillness. So in our theology classes at Mercyhurst Prep, we really try to embody that by providing students an opportunity to reflect and to pray and to consider their relationship with God, in addition to an academically rigorous program.
The Mercy Charism core values of compassionate presence, justice, service, hospitality, and concern for the dignity of all persons have helped shape me into a more caring person. These values will serve me well as I set out to make a difference in my community and the world.
Our admissions process is rather easy. All you have to do is go on to our website on mpslakers.com, and there you'll find our application. Not only will the application be there, but all the information about financial aid. I urge you to apply for our financial aid and scholarships. Last year, we gave out $1.2 million. So we're here to help you out.
8th graders, if you are ready for this next chapter of your educational journey, come to Mercyhurst Prep on November 1st from 12 to 4 for your open house, and you can explore everything it is to be a Laker.